Preface. Every business, from neighborhood to global, begins with an idea. The next General Motors or Walmart or Microsoft will not spring forth fully developed from the back of an envelope. Big ideas need big funding. But your next job or your next source of supplemental income can begin with a small idea and grow from there. The two keys to success in small business are these. 1. Find something that makes good use of your skills and experience. 2. Market that idea to people and businesses that need your product. In 101 Ideas, you'll find a realistic guide to turning your ideas and skills into a business that you can run part-time or full-time, or even as an absentee owner. Some of the other books about starting a small business are little more than a laundry list of job ideas, some practical, some ridiculously fanciful. There may be millions to be made in recycling toxic waste, but it's not realistic to consider setting up a processing plant in your backyard pool. You may be able to earn a nice income running a dog walking business, but you do need to give serious thought to things like liability, health codes, and personal safety. Some jobs, such as babysitting or vacation house watch service, are simple to set up and run, and we discuss those and show you how to keep it simple and beneath the radar. Other jobs very quickly become more complex. For these, we discuss the real-world issues an entrepreneur will face: startup costs, legal matters, accounting and tax issues, liability insurance, zoning. We help you draw up a sensible business plan that can be used to direct the startup, to present to a banker, government agency, or foundation for funding, or to help design a publicity, marketing, and sales program. We give suggestions on how a successful business can be scaled up from a one-person startup to a mini empire. Icons help you quickly identify the type of business, required skills, estimated startup costs, and an indication of legal, zoning, and insurance requirements. Most of the jobs can be set up for just a few hundred to a few $1,000s. For the more expensive startups, we show ways to ease into full operation, one step at a time.